Good morning, students. Hope all of you are safe and you are doing your work regularly. Beta, we started chapter 4 of geography and name of the chapter is climate. And in this chapter, we already discussed the topic about the weather and the climate and factor affecting climate of India. With that, we also discussed the advancing of monsoon and the retreat of monsoon. So till now, these topics we have already discussed. So today we will start from the topic the seasons. Beta, as you know that seasons are formed by the revolution of earth around the sun, right? And in India, there are four main seasons: the hot weather season, the cold weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreat of monsoon. So these are the four major season of our country. Now, what are the features of all these four seasons that we will discuss in today's topic? So let us start the topic. The seasons. India experiences a monsoon type of climate. And do you know that what do you mean by monsoon type climate? It has a distinct seasonal pattern. As you experienced it in your country, in your area, that first of all summer season is there, then rainy weather is there, then winters, then autumn season. So it has a distinct seasonal pattern that never change, and that is known as the monsoon type climate. Now, weather conditions, these greatly change from season to season. Like you experience summer also, the temperature almost reaches 45 degree. In winters, it is just nearer to 8 degree. So there is a great change from season to season. These changes are experienced in the interior part of the country. Means these are not experienced in the coastal region. As we know that in the coastal region there is a moderate type of temperature. That is why these monsoon type of climate, it is found in the interior part of the country. Then the next one is the coastal area. These do not experience much variation in temperature. As I told you that their temperature remain moderate. Not very high, not very low. So this type of temperature, it is known as the moderate temperature. But there is variation in rainfall pattern. As some area get very high rainfall, like the western coast, that Malabar coast in Kerala and Mumbai area, it get the maximum rainfall. And Tamil Nadu, these eastern coasts, these get the rainfall in winters, right? So there is a variation in rainfall pattern in coastal areas. Now there are four main seasons: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating of monsoon. So today we will discuss about these two seasons, cold weather season and the hot weather season, and what are the features of this seasons. So now the next topic is the cold weather season. Because this topic is very much closer to your routine life. As now we are experiencing the rainy weather. So from October, November, then cold weather season will start. So the very general things we will read in this topic. So the cold weather season, it starts from mid-November until February in northern India. So why we are saying it northern India? Because it is the cold weather season. It doesn't find in the peninsular India, right? That is why we are saying here only northern India. And December and January, these are the coldest month. But the temperature decreases from south to north. As we know that the south is 8 degree far away from equator. So whatever area will be nearer to the equator, the temperature will be high. And as we will go far away from that, temperature will be low. So this is the reason behind this. The temperature decreases from south to north. Now, just take an example. Average temperature of Chennai, it is 24 to 25 degrees Celsius in a particular month, but in northern plain, it can be from 10 degree to 15 degree Celsius. So even in the cold weather season also, there is a great variation in the temperature, right? During cold weather season, days are warm and nights are cold. And even the high altitude area like Himalaya experience snowfall. The northeast trade winds prevail over the northern India and it blow from land to sea. As we know, whatever wind will blow from land to sea, it will be a dry wind, right? So, but some rainfall occur on the Tamil Nadu coast because Tamil Nadu coast it get the winter rainfall. And during the season, normally there is clear sky, low temperature, low humidity, and feeble winds. Means weak winds are there. All these are the features of the cold weather season, right? And even during this time, in northern plains, cyclonic disturbances are also seen, which causes winter rains in plains and snowfall in mountains, and which is known as Mahavat. Means what do we mean by Mahavat? Beta, the winter rain is known as Mahavat and it is very important for Rabi crops. As we know, Rabi crops are the crop that are sown in winter. In November, these are sown like wheat. So this rain is very good for these Rabi crops. Peninsular region doesn't have a well-defined cold season because I told you that it experiences a moderate type of temperature. So their cold season is not defined. So this was about the cold weather season. Now the next topic is the hot weather season. It is from March to May and the temperature differ at different latitudes. The same thing, whatever latitude is nearer to the equator, there will be high temperature. As we will go far away, there will be less temperature. So the example like Gujarat and MP, Madhya Pradesh, in the month of May they experience 42 degrees Celsius temperature, but Jammu and Kashmir hardly 15 degree temperature. So this way temperature can be differ in the hot weather season also. In coastal region, temperature remain lower as these region experience a moderate type of temperature. So this season, in this season beta, basic features are rising temperature and falling air pressure in North India. As we are reading here the falling air pressure beta, it means the low pressure zone is developed in North India and this is the reason that the winds blow from sea to land, which causes monsoon rain. As we know that winds blow from the high pressure area to low pressure area, right? So that is why this North India gets rain during hot weather season. Now the next, the striking feature is Loo. I think all of you must have experienced Loo. It is strong, gusty, hot, dry wind during the day and sometimes we can experience it in the evening also. And even direct exposure to Loo may prove fatal. It is very harmful for the health. During this time, dust storms are very common in May. These bring temporary relief. You must have experienced like now we are in July only. In May, dust storms are there and due to the dust storms and a little rain, sometimes temperature became low. Now, this is also the season of localized thunderstorms with violent winds, torrential downpours. बेटा torrential downpours होती हैं, that is a heavy rain accompanied by hail. Then in West Bengal, these storms means these type of thunderstorms, these are known as Kal Baisakhi. And towards the close of offset of summer, pre-monsoon showers are common in Kerala and Karnataka. And do you know these pre-monsoon showers, these are very much helpful in the early ripening of mangoes and that is why these pre-monsoon showers are known as mango showers also. So beta, all these were the features of the cold weather season. as well as the hot weather season. And in that, two very important points were there: the mango showers. Because these mango showers are the pre-monsoon showers, which is very helpful in the early ripening of mangoes. That is why these are known as the mango showers, right? So today we read about the features of hot weather season and cold weather season, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the advancing monsoon and the retreat of the monsoon. Hope all of you have understood the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.